Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are fine there. So, let's start with the chapter 13, the world inside. In this chapter, we'll study about the digestive system, the food that we eat, how that food is digested in our stomach. What is the process of digestion? So, let's start. The process of digestion starts even before the food enters the mouth. Often when we think of our favorite food or when we see it, we begin to salivate. This is because the brain sends signals to the body to be prepared for the food. Mouth. The digestive system begins in the mouth where the teeth and tongue work together. The teeth help to chew, thus breaking the food into smaller pieces. The salivary glands present near the tongue secrete saliva, which is a watery liquid secreted into the mouth. It keeps the mouth wet, moistens the food and mixes it to form a paste. The saliva contains an enzyme that breaks down the carbohydrate in the food to sugar. Next is tongue. It is a muscular organ in the mouth which is used for tasting and swallowing. Thousands of taste buds are present on the surface of the tongue, and these taste buds help us to identify different tastes like sweet, sour, salty, bitter. Next is esophagus. Food from the mouth enters a hollow tube called esophagus or food pipe. The muscles of esophagus contract and relax to push the food to the stomach. Stomach. Now what is the function of the stomach? The stomach muscles grind and churn the food into semi-fluid state. The digestive juices secreted by the stomach walls contain an enzyme which further break down the food into protein, carbohydrate, fat in our stomach. Now the food then passes to the small intestine. The small intestine is a long muscular tube that mixes food with enzyme. The useful nutrients from the digestive food are absorbed by the walls of the small intestine. These nutrients are then absorbed by the blood vessels which carry them to different parts of the body. Digestion of the food is completed in the small intestine. Now, large intestine, the food that is undigested. It enters the large intestine where the water and minerals are absorbed. The undigested food then converts into solid waste, which passes into the rectum as feces. The feces exit the body through an opening called as anus. Now, what is the importance of water? We know that water is very essential for our health, for our good health. Water and other liquids break down the food so that the body can absorb the nutrients. So drinking water, it also prevents constipation. Children should drink enough water as they constantly sweat during warm weather or while doing any physical activities. So children between 4 to 13 years of age should drink about 6 to 8 glasses of water in a day. Now, what are the healthy and good eating habits? We should eat everything in the right amount. So there are some good habits which we should follow. First, eat a lot of green vegetables and fruits. Eat meals, dinner, breakfast or lunch should be taken at the right time. Never skip breakfast. Eat food rich in fibers as it helps to control movement of the food in the digestive system. Take small bites of the food while eating and chew it properly. Do not be in a hurry to swallow the food. Drink at least 6 to 8 glasses of water every day. Avoid going to bed immediately after eating as it takes 4 hours for the food to get digested in the stomach. So, there are many children in our country who do not get enough food to eat. So, we should not waste food by not eating and throwing away leftover. Food should not be wasted. Okay? So, this is all about this chapter. Bye-bye.